17th edition of Coimbatore Vizha.
The Coimbatore Villa is such a beautiful event wherein all of us from the city come together. Coimbatore Vizha Marathon is one of the marquee events, part of the Villa edition. So, on behalf of Villa team, we extend a very warm welcome to our marathon title sponsor, Mr. Navaneeth, Managing Director of Gishnu Gears.
The minute I entered the store and I saw a lot of familiar faces, because coming into a social service organization and forgetting about the family, kids.
No marathon is complete without a personalized jersey. Mr. Navaneeth Mylswamy, the Managing Director of Gishnu Gears, is also the first person to come on board as our sponsor. So thank you so much for that, sir.
Thank you everybody from YI. Thank you everybody from Team Annamalai's Team Gishnu. And we look forward for a very great villa. Coimbatore Villa is the number one villa. Vanga Kodarna.